Now let's add another FM core operator and its envelope. So let's start with a new patch and add the FM core operator, a new module in Multiphonics CV-3.1 update, and another new module, the spectrum analyzer. As we'll see and hear, this is just a single frequency. And now I will add another FM core operator down into LFO territory, like 8 Hz. But instead of routing it to the output, I'll modulate this operator that we can hear is a frequency, so frequency modulation input. What we'll hear is just vibrato, which is frequency or pitch modulation. But where it gets interesting is where this speeds up. It forms sidebands, sums and differences you read about in FM tutorials. Now they're of the same frequency. We'll control them both from the keyboard. So when they're of the same frequency, meaning a frequency ratio of 1 to 1, we get even and odd harmonics, like a sawtooth wave. And this frequency modulation depth becomes our cutoff, like in subtractive synthesis, it is timbre control, harmonic content control. If the ratio changes to 2 to 1, we get even harmonics, like in a square wave. And then the harmonic tail detaches. So let's make a keys and classic FM keys sound. So we go high with harmonics, ratio 10 to 1. And make it polyphonic. Obviously, we need some sort of an envelope. We'll use another new panel, which is a segment envelope, a multi-segment envelope, where you can adjust the time a certain level is reached individually for up to 8 stages. We'll use it similarly to an de-esser envelope with instant attack, so it reaches maximum instantly. This becomes our decay. We'll make it very short and like a transient. And it goes down like this, and then like something akin to a sustain at this third stage, and the last step, length set to 4, will be our release. Obviously, we need to route this into the envelope input because this controls the level of this without the need of a VCA after it. Obviously, I need to gauge this from the keyboard to work. Without modulation, just playing the sine wave. With modulation, timbre gets richer. So if this is similar to a cutoff on a subtractive synth, controlling how much harmonics we get, we can subject it to the CV control of another envelope. And now the timbre will be rich at the beginning, and then it will just slightly fall like this and remain pretty rich throughout. As you can hear, the timbre changes throughout. without, with. Now let's add another FM core operator and its envelope. Another fast attack, but this time no sustain, just goes down to 0, but like this. Maybe even a tad longer. And this will control the envelope of this operator. And this will enrich the timbre of this operator, so it will modulate it